Here we have a triangle already graphed in our coordinate plane, and they want us to translate the figure 4 units to the left and 1 unit down. So the easiest way to do this, I think, would be to take each of the points and then count the direction in which they have told you. So 4 units left and 1 unit down. So I'm going to start with this point here, and I'm going to count 4 left. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 down. And that's where our point is now going to end up. And if you want to label this as A, and that's A prime, that's completely okay. Then let's take our next point. I'm going to call this one B. We're going to count 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 down. So it's going to be B prime. That one should have been A if I still called it A prime. And then our last point is down here, which is C. We're going to count 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 down, and there's C prime. And the last thing you need to do is just draw the new triangle, and it's okay if one of the new points ends up on an old point.